Gabe is showing you how to get to the new space map really easy. This is all the stuff you need: a teleportation grenade, 2 rockets, 1 grappler, and a pickaxe. So that's all you need. Follow my steps. So you come back here where the mines is, but you don't go inside of the mines. You go back here to this thing, and then you see this little hole right here. Activate it, throw it in. Just give it a second. Okay, now once you're teleported, you want to take out your backpack. This is where you have to aim for. You see that like box right there? You want to aim for it. Oh no! Guys, that was an accident. That literally kicked me. That literally bounced me off. Bounce me off. I was trying to save my life. That's why I left. You're upside down. Okay, so we just need 2 rockets and a teleportation grenade because we lost those. Three, two, one. Okay, so something bounced me off. Okay, just be careful.